This is the second part. In this part, I will explain the remaining, the left out part of the first section. Now, I will going to teach you, or I will going to explain you the another formula, that is write the homonyms of the following words and so their difference. First of all, you will know what is the word homonyms. Homonyms means same sound, same pronunciation, but different in remember, homonyms means same sound, same pronunciation, but different in spelling and meaning. In which way I will going to explain what is that homonym here is explains you. For instance, that relates to peace, these are the words peace and peace. We will make a difference between these words, the word peace and peace. For instance, India and Pakistan talk for. Now we will bring a difference between these two words. That means though they are the homophones, their pronunciation is the same, but spelling and meaning is different. That's why I am telling it is homophones. So we will make the difference between the two words by making the sentences. For instance, India and Pakistan talk for peace, that is peace. Then another is give me a piece of paper, that is known as. In this way such type of question will come. Then another is your make sentence. By using the phrases, following phrases. Suppose remember what is phrase. First of all, you know phrase is a combination of words that makes a sense but not complete sense, where there is no subject or predicate. But in clause we find subject and predicate, but in phrase we are lacking in subject and predicate. For instance, example, unable to. That means you have to make sentence by using this phrase, I am unable to sit in the class. That means now I am giving a nutshell what is the phrase and how to make sentence by using the phrase. Then another type of question may ask from this unseen passage, that is what? that relates to your one word substitution or single word. Suppose the question may ask in any background, in any type. For instance, a person who teaches student is called task. That means in this section, the one word substitution is or the single word you have to mention a person who teaches student is called task. That means the answer is teacher. These are the and another thing is another question may ask in this point of view. Write a suitable title of the that means a suitable title you have to write a suitable title of the given passage. Remember one thing is here, if you know it's good definitely because you know this title. If you try to know it's better, and if you don't know it's best. In which way? I will explain you how it is best, how it is good, how it is better. That means the title, it must be the basic rules of the title, it must be written in capital letter. First you write down, it must be written in capital letter. It is also known as the caption. Auxiliaries should be omitted. Auxiliaries should not be written. That means auxiliaries should not be written. Suppose you are reading the prose, poetry, where the title arises, there is no use of is, amar or anything. It may be. So, what the things should be written? A topic arises on son. How to write? That means the sentence, first sentence may be the title, again repeated sentence may be the title, or the sentence in inverted comma may be the title. If the title asks on the son how to write, for instance, it will deal with the son. Then if son arises, if you write son, that's okay, the title may be okay. But if you attract the examiner, you can write this. That means in this case, you can explain son, the sources of all energy. Son, the sources of all energy. Sources of all energy. So thank you all of you. If any query, you can by analyzing these things, it will, I think, it will help you in a more way because it is explained in a scientific way. So thank you all of you. Please share, subscribe, and my channel the right direction. Thank you all of you.